So now let's see how we can work around with the multi-layer effects using the effect strip inside of video editing mode inside of Blender. So in order to work around with multi-layer effect strip, I'm going to go around over here and click on add right here. So here you can see in effect strip, there is not much of an option that is available to us. So that is because I only have this clip selected right here. So if I were to go to effect strip, you can see that I only have access to certain options right here, which is to be applied in one layer. But if I were to go around, let me just add in another layer as text layer right here. So I'm just going to go around right here, increase the size of the text right here, and maybe change the color as well. So this is what I have. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select both of these. I'm going to click on add, and then I'm going to go to effect strip right here. So once I click on add, now what happens is that the text has been added right here, as you can see. So this is the text you can see, and the add effect for the text is taking place. You can go around right here, and if I were to change the location, you can see that this is how it looks. You can go around, change the color, and you can see that there's the add effect applied onto the text. So there's replace right here. You can go around with different options right here. You can go around with hard light. You can go with linear bin right here, overdrop, and so forth. And that is how it works. Similarly, there's other options that you can apply. So you can select this. You can go around into, let's say, for example, in the add, you can go to effect strip right here. You can go to subtract over here as well. So you got the subtraction effect going on right there. Similarly, you can go around right here. Let me just go around into different option right here. You can go for different lights. You can go for overlay and so forth, as you can see, and get the effect you want. So just like this, you can go around, replace it out, and so forth, as you can see. Let me just go around, add in the text right here, just like this. And let's say this is going to be to the tube right here. I'm going to increase out the size of the text right here. And then I'm going to change around the color. So once I do this, I'm going to go around, click on add effect strip right here. So I can subtract over here as well. I can go around into different things. So let me just delete the subtract. We can go around over here onto color mix right here as well. So you got different effects, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with multi-layer effects right here. You can also go around and bring in other layers. So let me just bring in this one right here, just like this. And then if I were to select both, I can go to effect strip and go for multiply, let's say. And you got the mix of both of the footers, as you can see right here. The multiply effect has been applied. And that is how you can apply out more effects right here as well. And that is how you can use the multi-layer effects using the effect strip inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.